Curaçao Cares is celebrating their second anniversary. Can you believe it? It has been 2 years already. We can't either.
It's been 2 wonderful but challenging years, but we have been inspired to support organizations and volunteers who work to the benefit of our community every single day. But we've also been witness that EY does care.
Over the past 2 years, everything we've been able to accomplish is also because of you. Over 5,000 volunteers mobilized, over 87 companies participating with their employees in projects or events, over 158 NGOs supported, and more than 30,000 volunteer hours, and still counting. We were able to launch in June 2013 after just 7 months of planning and setting up the organization.
You helped us connect people and organizations to bridge the gap and inspire people to get involved.
But we were also proud to have you as a partner and commend the EY Cares Group for their dedication as goodwill ambassadors of EY. We've seen EYers live out the quote that got it all started. It's not how much you put into giving, but it's how much love you put into giving and doing.
You've put smiles on children's faces, inspired elderly to get more active, and have raised thousands of guilders for education. You inspire us to continue leveraging the time, talent, skills, and voices of our citizens, and promote action.
We really look forward to continuing our partnership with EY. Thank you.
Bien! And thank you.
Thank you.
Dankjewel.